Hey, good people, let's talk about something super important for your wallet or pocketbooks regarding your 2025 tax return, that is overtime pay and taxes. Did you know there's a new tax rule that could save you a lot of money if you earn overtime at work? Started in 2025, your overtime pay might be deductible on your tax return. That's right, you could lower your taxable income. Listen carefully. So, how does it work? Eligible individuals can deduct up to $12,500 annually from part of their overtime pay. Married couples filing jointly can also deduct up to $25,000. This deduction begins to phase out for individuals with a modified adjusted gross income over $150,000 and $300,000 for joint filers. You get the benefit when you file your taxes for the 2025 year. You'll be able to subtract part of the amount you earned in overtime from your total income. This means you can end up paying tax on a smaller amount of your overtime, which could lead to a bigger refund or a smaller tax bill. To file, make sure you have the total amount you were paid in overtime, preferably from your pay stub or info from your employer. You'll need that info to show how much overtime you earned. You may find this on your last pay stub for the year. If it is not there, then you may have to manually calculate it. It may also show up likely in box 14 on your W-2. This applies to workers whose overtime is covered by the Fair Labor Standards Act, that is pretty much those not on a salary. You can only deduct the premium portion of your overtime pay, specifically the extra 0.5 portion in time and a half overtime pay. Please note, the deduction is not your whole overtime pay, just the half in time and a half. This deduction applies to federal income tax only. It does not exempt overtime from federal payroll taxes, that is, Social Security and Medicare taxes. A simple example, if your regular pay is $20 an hour and you earn $30 an hour for overtime, you can only deduct that extra $10 premium for each qualifying hour. Use the new Schedule 1-A and report the total on Form 1040, line 13B. Keep documentation for your overtime pay and take that deduction on your 2025 to 2028 tax returns. This is a game changer for so many hardworking people. For more tips like this, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.